Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4810P. This is a 2022 Ford F-350 Crew Cab flat deck with only 55,000 K. XLT pack, it's got the nice chrome front end on it, nice alloy wheels, factory running boards. Truck's nice and clean. Nice big full crew cab as well. Floor is nice and flat, and the seats do flip up if you're putting tools or materials in the back. 9 foot long by 80-inch wide flat deck, as well as hitch, backup cam, and 7-pin wiring. Deck surface itself is great for skid steer attachments or pallets of fertilizer, seed, toolbox, welders, compressors, anything like that you're lugging around the farm. A nice big full crew cab, so it's everybody in the back. Ford keyless entry system, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, power driver's seat, power pedals, Bluetooth, nice big screen there in the center as well. So again, really nicely outfitted truck. Something like this would make a great addition to your construction company or to your farm. Again, stock number 4810, a 2022 Ford F-350 Crew Cab flat deck.